Hello friends! Welcome to this channel. And in this video, I'm going to tell you and also show you how you can find out if someone has blocked you on the Snapchat app. But before you start watching this video, dear friends, don't forget to put a like, write comments, and also friends, please subscribe to our channel. Well, let us get started. And first of all, please open up the Snapchat app on your device. And I'm going to show you two methods on how you can find out or see if someone has blocked you on Snapchat. For the first method, you will need to go to the search part of the Snapchat app, for example, and then type in the person's name. And if when you type in the person's name, you don't find that user, it's a clear sign that you've been blocked, because when you're blocked, you can't find a certain person to see what they're up to on Snapchat. For the second method, go to Chats, and here hold on the conversation with the person. Next, please select the Friendship Management section. And if you don't have an option here, block or delete friend. This is also an indication that you may have been blocked. If you want to make sure, you can ask someone else from your Snapchat account to find a particular person and try to enable the same option of friendship management. And if he/she has features like delete and block, and you don't, it's a 100% guarantee that someone has blocked you on Snapchat. Dear friends, with these two methods, you can find out if someone has blocked you on Snapchat. I really hope you found the video useful. Please don't forget to put likes. Be sure to write your comments and friends. Take care.